Welcome to the mathscenter.com. Today is day 3 of our 18-day intensive review for the Add Maths exam, IGCSE 0606. And today's topic is quadratics. Okay? Quadratics. We will deal with quadratic function. Before we look at the question, please follow me on Facebook, share this video as much as you can, and the full solution to this question will be appended to the video. And for details on courses related to the mathscenter.com, please visit our website. We have lots of details there. Okay, so let's start. We have got f of x is given. Let me write it here. 2x squared plus kx minus 4r. Okay. They tell you that this function has a minimum point at you can see the question here. Let me just write that down. K squared minus 3 over 4 and k. Yeah, they tell you that the minimum point is given. The minimum point is given, and k and r are constants, and you have to find the values of k and r. Now, what do you need to do? Well, we have to complete the squares. Yeah. Okay. So let's start. Yeah. Very quickly. Yeah. F of x. We have the coefficient of x squared is 2. So let's take it out. So in brackets I have k over 2x minus 2r. Okay. What have I done? I'm attempting to complete the squares, and I've taken out the 2, factorize the 2 out, so I've got x squared plus k over 2x minus 2r. Now I will look at the coefficient of x, which is k over 2, half it. So I have, okay, minus k squared over 16 minus 2r. No magic here, just completing the squares. Take the coefficient of x, which is k over 2, half it, you have k over 4, okay, half of it, and then you plug that x plus k over 4, and then you square it, and you minus the square of this number, which is k squared over 16 minus 2r. Okay, so now let's bring the 2 inside. We have 2x plus k over 4 whole thing squared minus k squared over 8 minus 4r. So we're done with the completing the squares. Let me quickly check. 2 times this, correctly written, minus k squared over 8, and I have got minus 4r. So by looking at this, you know that you have a minimum point, because this is 2, positive number. So the coordinates here will be minus k over 4 and minus k squared minus 4r, excuse me, okay? Minus k squared over 8 minus 4r. So that's those are the coordinates of the minimum point from our calculations here. We know how to do that. Yeah, the x value is minus k over 4, and the y value is minus k squared over 8 minus 4r. Now what's left? We need to compare with what they've given us. They tell us that this thing here, this minus k over 4, is the same as k squared minus 3 over 4. Let's write it here. Okay, k squared minus 3 over 4, and that's equal. Let me erase this. I don't do that. Okay, k squared minus 3 over 4 equals to minus k over 4. Multiplied throughout by 4, you'll get 4k squared minus 3 equals to minus k. Therefore, I have 4k squared plus k minus 3 equal to 0. This is a quadratic. You can solve for k. Okay, you can solve for k. Let me do that quickly. And I have 3 and 1 and minus and plus, and I have k equals to 3 over 4 or minus 1. Okay, so that's not a big deal. You can easily sort out the algebra here. Okay, you get k equals to 3 over 4 or minus 1. Basically, you're done. You have obtained 2 values for k. You need to find, remember this thing here, okay, k, which they gave us, is also equals to minus k squared over 8 minus 4r. Okay, let me write that nicely. Okay, k here that they gave us is also equals to minus k squared over 8 minus 4r. So when k equals to 3 over 4, solve for r, you'll get one answer. And when k equals to minus 1, plug it in, you'll get another value for r. And we're done. Yeah. So the important thing is to complete the squares, recognize your minimum point, the coordinates, compare with theirs, and then solve for k. You'll get two values of k, plug into the other equation, and you'll get the value of r. Two values of r and two values of k. And we are done. Yeah. Thank you very much. We will continue with day 4 tomorrow. And please follow me on Facebook and YouTube. Share this video as much as you can. And please study hard. I will see you tomorrow. Thank you.